So now our next step is to create the setup for the model. So we need um, to drag Fluent from here to mesh, and we are connecting them together. We need to update this. So now only just click, double click here on setup. Click on double position and start. It will take a little bit time, but you need to be patient. So here is the ANSYS Fluent interface. Click OK. You can see here is our model. We have two inlets and one outlet. We have here the solvers, pressure based, density based. We'll talk about it later. We'll explain everything. Now we'll go to the models to choose our model and viscous. So as you see, here are the models. We have laminar, we have turbulence, and for us we will choose K omega and SST. Click OK. Now we will go to materials, and we have air. This is the density and this is the viscosity. I will choose them, like I'm fine with them, so I will click close. Next we will go to boundary conditions, and we'll go to inlet. We have two inlets. Here we can adjust the velocity. Have it 0 here, so I'll change it to 0.5 and apply. Here similar, 0.5 meter per second and apply. So next we'll go to methods, and method we will choose simple method. Here I will leave it as a second order, and then we'll go to initialization, and I'm okay with hybrid. We'll click initialize. This is very important step. Okay, now the initialization has been completed. We'll move forward to run calculations. Click on run calculations, put number of iterations. We need 500 iterations, and click on calculate. And in this way, the program will start calculating all the equations across our model, and estimate the behavior and other important properties for the flow. So here, as you see, it start the calculations. So we'll wait until it finishes. Alright, so the calculation has been completed, and we can click OK. So after the calculation is completed, we can go to obtain our results, and we need to show them. So we go to results sections, and we click on graphics, then we click on contours. In contours, I will choose new surface, plane, and create. Now from plane, I will click on save display, and from here, this is for pressure, for static pressure. I need velocity, and you can also get a lot of things here. So I need velocity. Save display. As you see, we have the maximum velocity here in the red area, and we have here blue. So it's here a low velocity. So to see the flow, we can go to vectors and click on plane 4 and save display. Now we can see the flow um, with these arrows. So you can see here we have like recirculation, we have reverse flow. We can also manipulate this arrows, like change the style, can have this type. We have a lot of styles. We can also have more scale like this. We can both skip like 1. So that's all here. A second thing, or the third thing, we can go to plot. Plot, we need to create a plot first. So here line, and line, you can fill these endpoints with manually or by selecting voice with mouse. So right click here, I will put it in the middle here, and here one. So it will fill automatically. Create, close, and here I will have this plot that I needed 2, 0, and 1. So this is our plot, but this is for pressure. I need for velocity. Here is velocity, and here is the maximum velocity here at this position, and close. So I think that's all for this. You can then save the project, and then we close the Fluent. Close the Fluent.